parts. Side stew. There is difference of right side and left side. Please do not mix up. Step 1. Please put 3 pieces of square screws into groove. Step 2. Fit screws into chassis holes. After adjusting screws position, do not tighten them firstly. Try to adjust when necessary. Attention! When installing, if lock rubber strip interfere to the installation of aluminum cover, should loosen the 2 screws in the lock rubber strip. Pull out lock rubber strip and then go ahead. Step 3. Tighten screws with M10 manner after everything is okay. Step 4. Cut unnecessary side stew and use M4 multiplied 15 screws to fix rear fender to side stew. Perfect side stew after good assembly.